Hello students, so today we start part 3rd of the chapter. Now what we discussed in earlier, Moshe Sen has finding out the crop in the barn, but his father saying that this is very important. Okay, so he was saying to his son that it is very important. That's why he couldn't have this food, he couldn't have this grain. Okay, now we start from here. But stammered Isu as tears of hunger and disappointment filled his eyes. Father, other farmers have eaten their last grain. Why can't we eat our instead of suffering terribly every day? He wept. Wept means he was crying. Okay, stammering means जिसे अपन हकलाते हैं, we were stuck. Okay, that thing. Isu, there is a tears in the eyes of Isu because of hunger and because of sadness, and there is too much uh, tears in the eyes. Okay, and he is saying to his father, all the other farmers is having the last grain. Why can't we eat this grain? Why are you saying no? Okay, and we know that we are suffering from hungriness, famine every day we feel very troublesome. And he was crying. This is all the more reason, my son, for not touching it, said Mausha softly. So his father is saying that this is a reason. Okay, there is a reason, there is a very important and a valuable reason why he was not touching this seeds. It will be a far worse calamity than this famine in the field of all the farmers lie fallow just because they have no wheat seeds to plant. Now if there is a worse calamity means there is a great damage or disaster, okay, than the famine, all the farmers are described. Okay, if all the farmers are not save the seeds, that's why they face calamity, they face disaster. Okay, because next year when they are sowing the seeds, the other farmers didn't have the seeds. What they will do in the next year? Okay, because there is no wheat seeds to plants. अगर seeds ही नहीं होंगे तो हम क्या उगाएंगे? Okay, these are just not just seeds, Isu, they are a farmer greatest treasure. Okay, money is not so important. Okay, means this time you see these seeds, it is very important because you are suffering from hunger, because these seeds are a greatest treasure. Next year we plant, we sowing these seeds, and maybe there is a fields has covered with all the cereals. Okay, so if the farmer robbed his own treasure, what would remain for him? Okay, now what was the treasure of farmer? These seeds. Okay, if we are having these seeds, what will we do in the next year? I know you are hungry, but so is everyone else. Have patience, Isu. Soon these seeds very well feed not only you but all the villagers. Maybe all the villagers has having their last seeds, but only Mausha Sen has saved these seeds. So he was saying that the seeds is not for having the food, but this seeds is all the villagers. Hearing this, also bowed his head in silence. Moshe was extremely miserable to see only child grow weak and think every day. He poured half a share of watery gruel into Isu's bowl, pretending not to be hungry. Gruel is a boiled milk or a water, something liquidy food. Gruel. Okay, now Isu never say anything in front of the father, and Mausha Sen was absolutely in a very exhausted condition. He was also very disappointed because he saw his child's day by day growing very weak and thin. Okay, that's why he gave his half share of meal to his son. Why? Because he was not pretending to be very hungry. Now the soon autumn season came. It was a time to sow the new crop of wheat. What shall we do? Cried the farmers. Now the sowing season has come next year, but all the farmers didn't have any seeds. Where shall we get the seeds to sow our fields? Mausha, old and weak, always lay in bed now, but now suddenly he seemed to find new strength to shuffle along to farms and to the homes of the village. Now Mausha Sen is very weak, old, and always laid in a bed. Okay, but now suddenly he seemed to find new strength of shuffle. Shuffle is by to walk by pulling one's feet slowly along the ground rather than lifting the because of weakness and tiredness. There is another strength came into Mausha. Okay, with the farmers, and he was going to the homes of the villages. I have a plenty of wheat seeds in my house. Tell all the farmers that they can take these for the fields, he said. Now Moshe said to all the farmers that he had plenty of seed. They had more seed in his house. Now he told the farmers that they can took the cereals, took the seeds from his home and sowing the seeds. Now arigato. Now this is a Japanese gratitude. Now thank you. Okay, Mausha sends thanks for saving us, cried the happy villagers as their hearts overflowed with relief and hope. Okay, all the farmers are very happy because they have gotten the wheat. Dragging the sack of precious wheat out of the barn, Mausha doled it out to the delighted farmers. Doled it out means he distribute the precious wheat to the villagers, to the farmers, happy farmers. This is a farmer's greatest treasure, so please don't waste a single grain, he said. You know, at the time of sowing this seeds is very valuable, क्योंकि उसी ने ही उन सीड्स को बचा करके रखा था और सबने जो सीड्स थे वो क्या कर दिए थे, खा लिए थे, ठीक है, उनको ग्राइंड करके. So this is a farmer's greatest treasure. That's why he was saying don't waste a single grain. Closing the having barn door, he suddenly faltered and fell. Suddenly, what happened to Mausha? We know that he was very weak, okay, old. That's why when he was closing the barn, okay, he suddenly fell down. Now you see what had happened to Mausha Sen. Mausha Sen, cried the anxious father. They had to run pick up him. Water, screamed Aisu, my father has fainted. Now all the farmers were very curious and they ran to pick him up. Okay, now Aisu was cried for water and he was saying that maybe his father was fainted, but it was of no use. In the arms of his son, surrounded by the grief-stricken farmers, Mausha, weakened by hunger, did not open his eyes. Now what happened to Mausha? He has dead now because of hungriness, because of grief-stricken. Okay, he was dead. He did not open his eyes. In the arms of his son, he was dead. He was a real farmer, cried the sad villagers. He kept his own wheat seeds for us so that all the villagers may have crop for the next year. Let's not forget him, for he has taught us the true value of farmer's greatest treasure. Now all the villagers saying that he was a real farmer. Okay, now you know that he stored his own wheat in the barn, and after that, in the next year, he distributed all the farmers to sowing the field. That's why he was a real farmer, and he taught all the farmers to a value of treasure, greatest treasure. Soon it was a spring and wheat fields, green and lush, smiled under the bright blue sky. The barns of all the farmers overflowed once more with new grain. Now what had happened in the last? There is a Moshe Sen is dead, but his seeds is very valuable to all the farmers. At last, when they were sowing the field in the springtime, all the wheat fields are smiled under the sky, and all the barns are filled with the overflowed with the new grain. So it is a story is ended. Okay students, I hope you understand the story. So have a good day to all of you.